What time we gotta go? Today's screening from, I mean not screening, advisory, so I'm not sure. I think Blake knows.
All right.
Hey, we need the other pipe.
Thanks, sir.
And 4-3.
We're in the green field.
You
guys about 11 minutes before we got to start heading down.
All right, Blake, can you come up here? We need to
do what?
Can you come up here? We need another set of hands.
Four screws.
Let's see.
You need me on the other side?
I don't know where I need it somewhere though. we can't hold and drill at the same time, I guess. We got it. This one's being on.
Thank you. Where's the screws?
Let's move it back towards you a little bit, Doug. Alright, I think, where is it up this way? It needs to come down this way. Is it too big?
I don't want to chip the wood.
I don't care. I really don't. Yeah. Might be
Now this up.
That one? Do that one, babe. I'll do this one.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, not too far. So wait. Too close. Go this way a little bit. Hold up. Hold up. Don't knock it out. Close. Back towards your hair. Back towards your hair. Ah!
Okay.
Good catch.
Well, I'm up here.
Back towards me a little bit. Perfect. And close enough it doesn't work. Screws. Can you hold that, Blake?
Yes, sir.
You got it? Or you need me to hold it while you grab the screws?
I can hold it. I can get the screws.
Alright, I got this. Can you grab the screw? And the lever.
Oh.
Alright, don't move it. Alright, we're not level. So I'm gonna do this one. Ah, now we're level. Can you screw that? And here's the or hold the screw, I guess, maybe. Can you trust me? Yes, sir. Yep.
This one on the other side.
That's good. Put one there.
Oh.
Alright. Oh, another screw. Hang on to that one there, right there. We're almost there.
1.27 minutes.
Alright, need another screw. Can you wait for it?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I hope it's one.
Alright, keep an eye on that bubble. Can you do that? Like,
Yes, sir.
I think you can let go of yours. Let's see. It's starting to rain a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Where they doing? I'm gonna tell them to go back.
I'm going to start heading them back.
There's no time or no?
We want to be safe than sorry.
Yeah, I see. They'll be like, oh no, I'm getting wet. Alright, head back there, Matthew. Nancy, can you grab those screws and take them back to the...
What screws?
The
Oh.
box down there.
Get me in the shed right now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
I hate water.
Oh, you're not. At least you're not allergic.
Because you can't swim. Oh my god. Everybody's coming in here.
I hate water.
Guys, if we run out of happens, I hate you all. Relax. So.
Well, we relaxing for it. Okay, I need to get out before I get squished.
This was bad.
There's gonna be a bunch of body odor in this shed, so I'm just gonna get out. Get out of here.
Open the other door, guys.
I'm going back out. Is that all? I told you I was. Before it dies.
Maybe put baby in.
Nah,
It seems really nicely out there still.
it's raining. Feels so good. Sure.
Yeah, TJ. Yeah, Matthew.
Huh? Who said that?
You should keep mine.
No, it's not gonna do that for us anyway.
What?